Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're just gonna be going up, like to 370 to 378 of the hallway, and right now it's only like 68 degrees. This morning it was like 59, right now it's 68 degrees, and today is Friday, October 21st of 2022, and it's a little bit like windy. I don't know if you guys can hear, but yes, it is windy, so that's one of the reasons why, like I would say it's windy and then something goes on and on and on. But yes, and today's outfit is this jacket per usual that I just took off, and black pants and the winter back school shirt, and we're going to head through that door that's just coming up. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're gonna be heading up this door right here and it's a shortcut to 378 hallway, which is where I'm currently heading right now. We're gonna come down these same stairs from up here to go into the downstairs 300, and from there into the courtyard, and from on. So yeah. Told y'all. I don't know if you guys can see the 369 sign. I think I'm gonna get an interview here. See the 369 sign? Yeah, that means we're near the hallway. So let's go. Oh, fuck. Okay. Just made it up through that door right there. See? I told you all. See? Because instead of me, and I told you from these signs, right? So obviously, it's like crazy to me to I would not necessarily think it's more like featuring a lot of stuff, but I have to still edit the other videos as well. So as of right now, you guys seen December 2nd of 2022 video premiering, right? Well, I still have to edit the other videos that I filmed this whole week from the 17th of October to the 21st of October. So after I film this video and the other video after 5th period, then I have to edit those and then I'll put them for premiering. So yeah, and I still have the other videos as well. Okay. Where's Sam? Huh? Wait, what were you saying? Good. Okay, wait, never mind, she's dating someone.
So Carlos, that's the table that I'm sitting at lunch. I'm not sitting there anymore at all.
Why?
Oh, they don't want him there at the table.
And I don't want to be there anymore, and like other reasons.
Oh, they changed their seats, but she sits next to the door now.
So I can easily sneak peek.
And now I see all the way in the back.
Oh, then that's good, right?
Yo, why you trying to be sneaky on me, bro?
No, I'm just saying on like other people, not her, okay? But why? But so who doesn't want you?
Hello, babe.
Basically, like everyone there.
Oh, so Nathan, everyone else?
Well, I didn't say nothing. It was the rest of the people. I don't say nothing.
Yeah, and by the way, fuck.
He's right there.
I don't give a fuck whether or not where he is.
I don't give a fuck, man, and fuck everybody from middle school.
Yo,
They're,
chill.
they're literally like annoying.
Stop. Calm down. Let's see you.
Bye.
See you, bro.
Let's go. Focus on the phone. What? Don't look at me. Bye.
Too scary like a turtle. That boy, Krish.
AJ. It's not even cold outside. And it's hot outside, so you're gonna be sweating in the hood. Just telling you that now. Ahead of time. You're limping exactly. Security, wait, hold on. Go find the tickets.
I see why everybody's not in there.
Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.